Joseph Pigliacampa started the company. He started it because he worked as a die maker when he started out, and he realized that we can make this easier, we can automate this, we can make it better. I'm Tom Vidic, I'm the Vice President of Sales here at Joseph Machine Company. Been at Joseph for 23 years. I'm responsible for our sales team, our applications engineering team, and marketing. 23 years is a long time, yeah. What we do here at Joseph is we take anything from stick form, extrusion, and we pass it through machinery and produce final parts. We're able to pivot and do spec builds. We're able to take what the customer ultimately wants. We're not selling widgets. We're selling items that are going to make the end user more productive. I think that's our biggest value to the industry, is our partnerships and our engineering approach to everything we do.
My name is Albert Rustamine. I'm the Control Systems Engineering Manager here at Joseph Machine Company. I've been with the company for 15 years. Everyone here is very passionate about what they do. We try to find the best solutions for our customers' problems. We're not just providing you machines that are cookie cutter. Our goal is to make sure that we design an asset that fits your manufacturing process.
The machine behind me, for example, is a flex style machine. What the flex portion of it means is that we're paralleling fabrication, so we're able to flex the machine tools to do various different things. Anytime a saw cut is happening, something else is happening. So we're drilling a hole or milling a slot while the saw is cutting. So we're overlapping those cycle times, and we're flexing that tooling to make it way more flexible, way more fast, sub 60 seconds for an entire window.
jFlow line is a fully automated welder cleaner system, so it'll weld the PVC windows and then transfer them through to the cleaning machine, which will clean any of the weld spew on the exterior and interior parts of the window. Where our jFlow lines stand out amongst our competition is we have features like request to enter, where you can enter the machine without losing workflow, without losing pre-welded windows or pre-cleaned windows in the middle of the cycle. We have the ability to do advanced diagnostics and e-stop recovery, so we can recover from alarms and errors without losing a whole batch of product that you already have queued into the machine. And that's where some of the Beckhoff technology with the industrial PC and being able to run at very fast clock cycle rates allows us to be able to take these measurements and not impact the throughput on the machine line. The SPT team has springboarded us into providing 32-axis machining capability solutions with 4 independent CNCs. It's allowed us to achieve these monstrous design projects in a very short period of time. So time to market has really been a huge advantage, and we're looking to be the best. Yeah, they're one of us. That's why we love it.
Beckhoff wants to push the envelope on technologies. We want to push the envelope on technologies, so that partnership lets us go to the next level and not be stagnant in our control system and what types of machines and how we can produce and what comes off the machines. Going forward, I think their willingness to try new things, to tell us what works best in this situation, to listen to us first and foremost, to say, hey, we really want to go in this direction, and have that support is huge for us.